In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images on your Roblox inventory. But first, please hit the like and subscribe button to keep updated. So, let's get into the video. The first thing that you have to do is click on the Create tab. It'll get you to a landing page, and then what you have to do is click on the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Development Items. Once you get there, click on Decals, and then click Upload Asset. From here, click on Upload again, and then pick the picture that you want to upload. I'm going to pick this one. Next, you can rename your picture. Artorias. That's what we name it. You can also click a description later on if you like. And if that's all, click Upload. And from here on, you can see the picture is now being uploaded and being reviewed by the Roblox community. To see images here, you can see it's already appeared. You can even go to your Roblox home, click on the menu tab, inventory, and then locate the decals tab. And then here you can see it here. Okay. Now click on it and then just copy the link on the search bar and place it in any game that you want. Later on, you can even click on the inventory number itself to search for it at a later time. That's basically all there is to this video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.